Hey bro, assalamu alaikum. You do beard? You do the beard? Yeah, maybe in like 2 days. I'll come back. Shukran. Cool. I'm out and about in Marrakech. I've only just got here, but I want to go and have a little explore. Yeah, I just want to go have a little wander around and see. Oh, look at that. There's loads of food. I'm not even slightly hungry, but I'm tired from the flight and everything, but I just want to get out and have a little wander around and feel the vibe of this place. Maybe get a shisha and a drink or something. I'm buzzing to be back here. There's so much going on. I'm gonna go walk down here and then get to the square. I need to find an ATM as well and get some cash out, but yeah, just gonna have a little wander around, see what I can see. So much food, so much food. I'm making crepes there, and then like, look, don't know what that is, but it smells like pizza. I've already been told off twice for filming as well. So I don't know how well the camera's going to go down if I stick it in people's faces. But yeah. So much food. So much food. Definitely lots going on. Yeah. You know what's so mad as well? Everywhere I've been this year, the sun goes down at like 6-ish. And it is 7:30 and the sun doesn't go down for like another hour, so it just feels a bit weird that it's like still light. And where I was just now, the time difference is 2 hours, so it's basically lighter than I feel. I feel like it's nighttime, but it's like super light, the sun's still out. But yeah, waffle. Just waffling about nothing now. Let's try and get to the busy bit. It's so cool. Normally when I come here, I stay in like a nicer place, a little bit outside of town, or like the newer part of town, but I wanted to be in like the thick of it. You know, where there's like loads going on and like a bit of madness. And I've never stayed in a Riyadh before, and I wanted to stay in a Riyadh. And that Riyadh's so nice. It's literally down a couple of roads from the main busy bit. Like I'm already at the busy bit now. Like when I turn the camera on, I'd literally just walked out the door, and then look at that. It's like the main market. Like, I've not even looked at what this place is called. I just wanted to get a shower and get straight out. So cool being back here. What's going on here? Weird. Cool. Go for a wander. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just gonna wander around and see what there is. What is that? Amazing. Don't even know what that is. Crystals. Hey bro. Assalamu alaikum. Oh. Wow, so much going on. My brain is already overloaded. I wonder what those rocks are there. Those big rocks that they're burning. I'm pretty sure that's what they're burning. Looks like big crystals or salt or something. I'll try and find out what it is. Loads of clothes there. Definitely all original. Do you know, I noticed as well in the buildings here, like the detail on the buildings is so nice. Like every little thing in each building is nice. Like even the lamps, the towel rack has even got a detail on it. Like the towel rack detail is nice. I mean, it's something to hang a towel on, but even that is super nice. Yeah, I just love it here. It's got so much character. Little fruit juices over there. I might get a fruit juice later. That's not too heavy. Loads of food. I don't even know what this square is called, but this is one of like the main squares. Not done any research yet because I've just arrived. But I will put on the screen what this place is called. Oh, some snails over there. Snails. Tasty snails. I'm okay, thank you, brother.
See you later, alligator, brother.
See you later, man.
61.
See you later, alligator, man. Kebabs. Oh, man. So much food. Oh, let's go and see these guys over here. Oh, that snake charmer. Oh, there's so much going on. Right, I'll show you these. For these dudes. I have no cash, I'm just right here.
Yeah.
I have no money. So I have no need to go to the ATM.
No. Cool.
Just told me off for filming because I've got no cash. I need to go to an ATM. There's some snakes. Snakes. A couple of snakes there. I've only been here an hour. I've been here an hour. There's a monkey. Assalamu alaikum. There's a monkey. I need an ATM because I'm gonna get told off. I'm gonna get told off for filming people without any cash on me, I think. So I need to get to an ATM. It is mad here already. Literally just walked out the door. Friday night though, so it's maybe it's busier than normal. I don't know. I can't concentrate at all on what I'm doing. More snakes there. Look at that. It's all going off. Right, where am I going now? Where am I going? ATM. Anyway, that was a little walk through the square. As a little, well, oh, there's a monkey. Oh, little monkey. A monkey dude there, look. Monkeys as well as snakes. So what am I doing? Oh, there's an ATM. Cool, I'll go and get some cash. So I just wanted to film something to say welcome to Marrakech. You see this video and I'm still here. Well, I'm going to try and post this while I'm still here. Give me a shout in the comments if you want me to go and do anything or see anything or go and explore something, even if it's around Marrakech or near. I'm going to be here for about a week, I think. Oh yeah. See you in the next video. Peace.